Yana. Yay! Jesril Elijah Primo. Yay! Excited na sila. Sila kasi sasabak sa quiz na ngayon. Ayan, okay? Once again, walang masasabi ng mga sagot, mga parents. Be quiet kayo dyan sa likuran. At mga students, walang magkokopyahan. Hindi na kayo makakapagkopya dahil kayo yung magkakalayo na. Ayan, umpisahan na natin ang ating science.
Okay? Para po sa science contest, gagamitin po natin yung inyong board. Hindi po lapis, chalk. Chalk ang gagamitin natin, chalk. Okay? Multiple choice to. Ang isusulat nyo lang ay A, B, or C. Okay? Okay po? Okay po? Okay, naintindi naman nila. Okay, mag-start na tayo. Mamimili lang A, B, or C. Sa easy muna tayo. Sense organs. Number 1. The nose is for smelling, while the eyes is for blank. The nose is for smelling, while the eyes is for blank. A. Seeing. B. Hearing. C. Tasting. Write your answer. A. Seeing. B. Hearing. C. Tasting. Sagot na po. A, B, or C na. Okay, list dyan. List dyan. Mabot na siya. Oh. The nose is for smelling, while the eyes is for blank. A. Seeing. B. Hearing. C. Tasting. Okay. Show your answer. Taas na po. Everyone got the correct answer except Ana Nicole. Eyes is for seeing. Letter A. Angel. Taas mo yung sagot. Hindi ko kasi makikita ng ganyan. Taas mo yung sagot ha. Tapos ito, erase na.
Ate, erase mo.
Sorry. Erase mo yung basahan na. Okay. Next. Habol ha, habol. Number 2. Which of the following is a sense organ? Which of the following is a sense organ? A. Leg. B. Neck. C. Hands or skin. Which of the following is a sense organ? A. Leg. B. Neck. C. Hands or skin. Write your answer. Wala ko letter D. Wala ko letter D. A, B, C lang. A, B, C. O, erase ko yung sagot mo. A, B, C lang tayo. Tatlo lang. A, B, or C.
Wait lang.
O, wag mo na yung okay? Raise up. Show your answer. Show your answer. Taas na. Taas na yung yan. The correct answer is letter C. Sino nakakasagot? Si Ana Nicole. Jezreel. Si Elaine. Hindi, si Angel. Hindi niya nakuha. Andreen, Nicole, Elaine, Jezreel. Hindi. Next. Okay. What sense organ will you use if you smell the fragrance of a flower? What sense organ will you use if you smell the fragrance of a flower? A. Tongue. B. Nose. C. Hands. Write your answer. A. Tongue. B. Nose. C. Hands. Si Angel. Tatlo na yung sagot niya. Everyone got the correct answer except Angel. Erase mo lahat. Isang letter lang. Baka kasi malito kami. Meron tayong ACB na sagot. Okay? Bura na po. Erase na. Okay, next. These foods are sweet. except blank. These foods are sweet, except blank. A. Chocolate. B. Vinegar. C. Ice cream. These foods are sweet, except blank. A. Chocolate. B. Vinegar. C. Ice cream. Write your answer. Lakas na mag-guess ka. Yung nasulat niya. Show your answer. Okay? Only Anna Nicole got the correct answer. It's letter B. Lahat po na binanggit ko ay matamis except sa vinegar.
Hindi naman alam ng bata yun.
Bura na. Erase, erase, erase. Okay? Last two question tayo sa sense organs. Okay? Cotton is a soft object. Cotton is a soft object while sandpaper is black. Cotton is a soft object while sandpaper is black. A. Smooth. B. Cold. C. Rough. A. Smooth. B. Cold. C. Rough. Write your answer. Hindi talaga sa... Write your answer na. Write ka lang ng A, B, C. A. Smooth. B. Cold. C. Rough. Raise your answer.
Bayan mo.
The answer is C. Rough. Only Christian got the correct answer and Angel. Umabot. Wow. Okay. O, erase your answer na. Last question tayo. Last question para sa sense organ. What body part do we use to see beautiful things around us? What body part do we use to see beautiful things around us? A. Head. B. Neck. C. Eyes. A. Head. B. Neck. C. Eyes. Write your answer. Baba mo muna nito. Hintayin nga natin sila. Okay, show your answer. Only Andreen, Jezreel, and Anna Nicole. Andreen, Jezreel, Anna Nicole. Hindi, Nicole. Okay? O, erase your answer na. Lipat na po tayo sa animals. Okay? All about animals naman to. Okay, makinig po maigi. Number 1, fish can swim while the bird can blank. Fish can swim while the bird can blank. A. Walk. B. Fly. C. Swim. Write your answer. Fish can swim while the bird can blank. A. Walk. B. Fly. C. Swim. Write your answer. Show your answers. Bakit letter C? Yung bird ba? Nagsuswim? B. Fly. Walang tamang sa... Erase mo yung sagot mo. Makakuli ka. Okay? Sagot kayo bago pa ako magsagot kasi hindi ka ako ni teacher yun, okay? Number 3.
Malay mo, penguin yung ulo.
Oo nga naman. Malay mo naman may bird talaga nagsuswim. Ako nangyayari lang. Okay. Okay? Lion, tiger, and zebra are examples of blank animals. Lion, tiger, and zebra are examples of blank animals. A. Farm. B. Pet. C. Zoo. Write your answer. Si Mami, sasali ata sa frisbee. Huwag mo kayo maingay sa sagot yung nana. Okay, finish na. Finish na, Angel. Show your answer. Taas yung taas. The answer is letter C, zoo. Only Anna Nicole and Christian got the correct answer. Tsaka si Christian, tapos na? B. Next. Wait, ano lang? Mga bata to, walang sa kanila. Okay, ito. Where do frog lives? Where do frog lives? A. Land and water. B. Water. C. Land. Where do frog lives? A. Land and water. B. Water. C. Land. Write your answer. Uy, sino yung sagot dyan? Angel, sagot na ikaw. Sagot mo. Finish na. Show your answers. The correct answer is letter A, land and water. Okay. Christian, Elaine, Jezreel, and Angel. Angel ko siya ito. Angel. Hindi, Angel nasa yan. Wala. Mali mo sagot ko. Okay? Last 2 questions po tayo sa animals. Okay. Cow, goat, and chicken are blank animals. Cow, goat, and chicken are blank animals. A. Pet. B. Farm. C. Zoo. Write your answer. Cow, goat, and chicken are blank animals. A. Pet. B. Farm. C. Zoo. Write your answer. Okay? Sabi ko na. Sige na binisulat na A, B, or C lang. Okay, show your answer. The correct answer is letter B, farm animals. Only Anna Nicole and Christian got the correct answer. Okay, tayo. Okay? Last question na po ni teacher. Okay? Sa animals. Okay? Erase na to, erase na. A bird can fly while the pig can blank. A bird can fly while the pig can blank. A. Fly. B. Walk. C. Swim. While the pig can blank. A. Fly. B. Walk. C. Swim. Write your answer. Show your answer now. Okay? Only Elaine and Angel and Jezreel. Elaine, Angel, Jezreel. May lumagdag pa sa triple tie. Mabul pa si Jezreel. Okay? Next na tayo, plants. Okay? Erase your answers na. Okay, game. Mango, orange, and banana are black. Mango, orange, and banana are black. A. Flowers. B. Vegetables. C. Fruits. Write your answer na po. Show your answers. The answer is letter C, fruits. Everyone got the correct answer except Angel and Jezreel. Kumahabol kasi si Angel. Wala. Yan. Wala din. Okay. Erase your answers. Angel, magsagot ka bago si teacher. After ni teacher magtanong, ha? Pag nasabi na ni teacher yung choices. Okay. Next. Which of the following plant live on air? Which of the following plant live on air? Air. A. Corn. B. Orchids. C. Seaweed. Which of the following plant live on air? A. Corn. B. Orchids. C. Seaweed. Write your answer.
Seaweed alam niyo.
Okay, show your answers. The answer is letter B. Orchids. Only Angel and Christian got the correct answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is a part of a tree? Which of the following is a part of a tree? A. Stamen. B. Stigma. C. Roots. Write your answer. Which of the following is a part of a tree? A. Stamen. B. Stigma. C. Roots. Write your answer na po. Show your answer. The answer is letter, letter C, roots. Walang nakasagot. Suspense pa eh. Walang nakasagot. Okay, next. Okay, these plants are small plants except blank. These plants are small plants except blank. A. Petchay. B. Mango. C. Grass. Write your answer. These plants are small plants except blank. A. Petchay. B. Mango. C. Grass. Write your answer na po.
Small plant.
Raise, ay,
May grass
ano pala,
na
show your answer.
And petchay.
The answer is letter B, mango. Only Elaine and Jessel got the correct answer.
Sagot ng anak mo, hindi mo alam.
Okay, next.
Di ba sabi niya small plant? Di ba ang tanong small plant?
Which of the following is a part of a flower? Which of the following is a part of a flower? A. Margin. B. Stamen. C. Branches. Write your answer. A. Margin. B. Stamen. C. Branches. Which of the following is a part of a flower? Write your answer. Show your answer. No one got the correct answer. It's stamen, letter B. Stamen. Okay? Sorry naman po. Okay? Next. Gumamela, sunflower, and sampagita are black. Gumamela, sunflower, and sampagita are black. A. Fruits. B. Vegetables. C. Flowers. Mami. A. Fruits. B. Vegetables. C. Flowers. Write your answer. Show your answer. The correct answer is letter C. Everyone got the correct answer except Angel. Next. These plants are big except black. These plants are big except black. A. Tomato. B. Mango. C. Banana. Write your answer. A. Tomato. B. Mango. C. Banana. These plants are big except the lamb. Write your answer na po. A. Tomato. B. Mango. C. Banana. Write your answer na. Show your answer. Taas po. The correct answer is letter A. Tomato. Christian, Elaine, Angel. Got the correct answer. Yeah. Okay, next. Last two na po tayo dito sa plants. Squash and cabbage are black. Squash and cabbage are black. A. Vegetables. B. Flowers. C. Fruits. Write your answer. Squash and cabbage are black. A. Vegetables. B. Flowers. C. Fruits. Write your answer. Show your answer. The answer is letter A, vegetables. Only Anna Nicole and Jezreel got the correct answer. Sa inyo wala. Okay? And last question po para sa ating plants. Yan. Coconut and tomato plant are living on land, while lotus live in blank. Coconut and tomato lives on land, while lotus live in blank. A. Water. B. Land. C. Air. Write your answer. Coconut and tomato plant lives on land, while lotus live in blank. A. Water. B. Land. C. Air. Write your answer. Okay, show your answer. Correct answer is letter A, water. Only Andre and Jezreel got the correct answer. May nagtay. Okay? I will say thank you na po kay Anna Nicole, kay Angel, kanina pa, kay Elaine, at saka kay Andre. Okay? Palakpakan po natin yung apat na bata. Okay? Iwan po natin si Christian saka si Jezreel. Okay? Tayo na kayo, Elaine. Okay? Balik na muna kami dati sa kayo mga. Thank you, ang mga babies. Gagaling niyo. Uy, Jezreel, dito ka na. Ayan. Lalaki sa lalaki naman ngayon. Isang question lang, pabilisan po tayo ng sagot. Si Teacher Banji po, si Teacher Beth, ang aking mga kanan at kaliwa pala. Okay? Pabilisan tayo ng sulat, ha? Okay. What kind of matter is air? What kind of matter is air? A. Gas. B. Solid. C. Liquid. Write your answer. What kind of matter is air? A. Gas. B. Solid. C. Liquid. Show me your answer. The correct answer is A. Okay, Jezreel won the science contest. Congratulations!